Okay, we're going to take a quick look at Cami extension. Um, we've just installed it and logged into it with our Google account. So let's take a look and see how this thing works. First thing I want to do, I'm going to go to my Google Drive and I'm going to add a PDF that I've installed or I've downloaded. So this multiplication, I'm just going to copy it into my Google Drive, drag and drop. All right, so let's go ahead and open Cami, and I'm going to open from Google Drive, and I'm going to click on PDFs, and that'll narrow down. That'll get rid of all the other files. So I want to click on this multiplication PDF. All right, so here's the PDF. Here are the tools on the left side. Some of the things you can do, you can mark up, you can highlight anything on here, you can draw, you can type in text, you can insert symbols. So all of these things over here are available to you. So let's go ahead and select markup. Let's say you want to, for example, send this PDF out to your students in Google Classroom, but for some reason you only want them to do a certain number of problems. So you're going to tell them that do all the ones that are not highlighted in red. So we can go through, we've selected the markup and the text highlighter, and we selected red. So all we got to do is just select the numbers, and we didn't want to do that. So I'm going to go up here and hit undo. And whatever you select, as soon as you let go, it's going to highlight that. And you can change colors over here. If you want to undo any of those, you can use the undo button, or you can go over here and click the eraser, and you can click on each one and it'll erase that highlight. You can do drawing. You can select your pen size or your brush size and your color, and then you can draw on here if you need to. I'm going to erase that. You can do text boxes if you want to give them the answer to the first problem. You can use a text box and tell them that the answer is 2024. So there's a lot of things you can do within Cami to edit the PDF. Once you're all done, all you got to do is click save. Save now. Actually, autosave is on, so the first time we save, it says allow Cami to save changes to Google Drive. So let's go ahead and authorize. It's going to make us do this again. And okay, last saved a few seconds ago. So the save worked. And now you can assign this PDF to your students using Google Classroom, and the changes that you made in Cami will be on the PDF for your students to see.